side by side the Fujifilm Mini Evo and the Antico Sure Shot box camera from the past. The new digital Evo working with the Fujifilm Mini Evo. We have the box camera from the past, Antico box camera, and our travel scrapbook printing with the Fujifilm Mini Evo. It's a real printer. The print's developed in about 2 minutes, right out of the Fujifilm printer hybrid. We're at the Cracker Barrel we're at the Cracker Barrel in Clinton, New Jersey, right, Carter? And we're gonna go in and have our lunch, I think. All right? All right. So we're decorated for Memorial Day today. And we're gonna go in. We're a little hungry today. What are you doing now? It's the sweetened summer. And homestyle fried chicken.
Homestyle fried chicken.
Yeah. What, did you have the fried chicken? What's that? Look. You want to go this way? There's the new thing, the Southern half and half iced tea. The cheesy bacon, fried chicken, and the shrimp platter. So they got their new menu out. So that's the fried chicken. That is the kids' pancakes with a whole slab of butter, right?
Yum, yum.
And there's our biscuits. And there is the chicken pot pie. Are you gonna play that game there or what? What do you think? You know how to play that game, or you want to look at this menu? So you got you got a whole stack of butter on there, sausage. What are you playing?
Yeah, Grandpa.
Carter, you want that weasel? It's a weasel, look. It's kind of scary, right? So we're here at this Cracker Barrel store in Clinton, New Jersey. Where were we at now? What's the name of this place? All right, we're just leaving Cracker Barrel. Where are we at? All right.